welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here with me today. Today I'm going to be trying on and reviewing the new Profusions times Mean Girls collection. I'm super excited for you to see how these items work out for me and my thoughts at the end of the video. This is the look that I created, so if you want to see how I came up with this, then let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So before we do get started with the application portion of the video, I'm going to show you what I picked up. And yeah, let's start off with the palette. I had to pick up this palette. It is so pretty. So I thought, you know what, $15 for the palette is not bad. This is what the palette looks like right here and all the beautiful shades you get. So pretty. So I went ahead and picked this up. I'm going to be creating this look with this palette today. I also picked up this little palette that has a bronzer, blush, and a highlight. This is the Candygram number 2. So there's 2 of these palettes. So I picked up the number 2 palette. And this is what the shades look like right here. I'm going to be applying those for you all. I also went ahead and picked up the lash set. It comes with 4 lashes and some adhesive to apply them. I am wearing this 3rd pair right here right now. So that's why it's missing from here. But this was about $10, I believe. I will have everything linked down below for you. But yeah, I'm super excited for you to see how these work out for me. I also picked up one of the lip sets, and I picked up the Gretchen Wiener set right here. I believe this set is like the neutral one. I could be wrong, but I will link it down below for you. It is so pretty, and of course I have it on my lips right now. And last but not least, I did pick up the mirror. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the mirror for size, a reference next to me. It is a very good quality mirror, and it is a big mirror as well, so perfect for when you're doing your makeup or if you want to have a closer look. I really like this. So cute, and just reminds me so much of the movie. Going back to the palette, I will be swatching all of the eyeshadows for you. It does come with some glitters in here, so I will be swatching those for you and putting it somewhere here in the video, so keep your eye out for that. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial testing out all these new products. Go ahead and get started with this shade right here, and we're going to place that all over the crease. All right, next up, I'm going to go into this shade right here and place that on the crease as well. I'm going to go into this shade, That's So Fetch, and I'm going to place that kind of right here on the brow bone, kind of to blend everything out a little bit more seamlessly. Next up, I'm going to go into the shade called Pink Shirt. I'm going to place that in the outer corner and the inner corner. Next up, I'm going to go into this shade right here. It's called Personally Victimized, and I'm going to add that in the center of my lid. Next up, I'm going to go into the glitter, which is called Awesome Time, and I'm going to put that over top of what I just laid down, which is that light purple. I'm going to go back into the hot pink shade right here, and I'm going to just deepen that up a little bit. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go into this shade called Jealous, and I'm just going to smudge that all underneath. Next up, I'm going to go into this one called Shiny Plastic, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. right, friends, so I went ahead and added my base just because I want to try out only products from this collection. And I also went ahead and added some lashes. So I actually used the Gretchen pair today, and this is what they look like on. I didn't film myself putting them on because you all know I am on the struggle bus with applying lashes. But yeah, they were pretty easy to apply, and I am super excited to try out the rest. These are more like out there lashes, as you can see. They're a little bit more simple, and then you have other pairs to choose from, but this is what these look like on. They're very fluffy and wispy. I really like them with this look. They definitely elevate the look and make it look very nice. So I'm super excited to try the rest of these so I wouldn't have trouble with it. I use my personal lash adhesive, but it also comes with a little lash adhesive if you want to use this. Moving on, I also picked up this set, and this is the You Glow Glen Coco little 3-shade palette. So it comes with a highlight, with a blush, and with a bronzer. So let me swatch them for you first. This is what they look like right here. Here we have it. We have the bronzer, the blush, and the highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the bronzer, then I will apply the blush, and lastly I will apply some highlight. So let's go ahead and get started with that. This is what it looks like when I have applied the bronzer, the blush, and the highlight. I think this is a really good little palette. I believe it was only around $6. This palette is available in 2 different shades. I got the Candygram number 2, so you should be able to purchase the Candygram number 1 as well. But yeah, I absolutely love the shades. I think they worked out perfectly with my skin tone. What do you all think? So pretty. But now we're gonna move on to one of my favorite items that I purchased from the collection, which is the lip products, and this is what it looks like right here. So this is the Gretchen Wiener's So Popular lip set, and I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So this does come with a liquid lipstick and a high shine lip gloss. So here we have the gloss and the liquid lip. I'm super excited about this. So I'm just first going to line my lips with my lip liner. I'm gonna go ahead and use Coffee and Kissy from Morphe. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the liquid lipstick. Oh, soft matte lip cream. I'm sorry, it's a lip cream. That is so pretty. I really like this combination of the lip liner and the lip cream. And last but not least, I'm gonna add a little bit of this lip gloss. All right, friends, and this is the look that I came up with. What do you all think? I am super in love with all of these products, especially the price. The palette is so cute. I absolutely love it. I love that you have so many shades available and endless looks that you can create on a budget, which is always amazing. I'm super excited to use like these lower ones, the green colors. Oh my goodness, that would be such a beautiful look for fall and for winter. I'm super excited to continue using this. This was only $15 and it is awesome. The lashes were $10, and I think they're a great deal because you do get 4 pairs of lashes and some lash adhesive, and you get to try out different pairs. I really like the ones I'm wearing. I had never tried something so va-va-voom like I have on right now, so I'm super happy I picked this up. I really think you can't beat this little set because you do get all 3 products. I think this is amazing just to have in your bag, or if you need something quick, you have everything in one already. And I believe this was around $6. If I'm messing up on any of the prices, I will post it here on the screen screen, and of course I will have everything linked down below. And I'm super in love with this lip set. This lip is so gorgeous. I think I found an absolute new favorite. I really love this pair together. The lips look like super nice and juicy. Last but not least was this amazing mirror. It's a really good size. I really think it is amazing. If you can get your hands on this collection, I definitely recommend it. It is beautiful. So overall, I give this collection a big thumbs up. I do have some items missing, but I will check them out once they hit stores at Walmart. Those are my thoughts on this collection. I'm super excited about all these products. For sure, I will be creating another look using this palette. Let me know down below what shades you want me to use for the next look. I'm so happy that I got these products and so happy to add them to my collection. Thank you so much for watching, for hanging out with me today. I will see you on the next video. Bye, friends.